Okay, had a chance to work on your design a bit. Made a couple of changes. I mean, we can go back to what you had right here. The main changes I made is I like to have the double trash next to the sink. So when I'm scraping a plate off, I'm going right to the sink without walking it across the floor. But if you want to keep the trash here, that's fine. I'll go over the design and what I've done, and then we can tweak it. Will the price make much difference? Probably not. But I've got, because I think it looks nice and it's functional, I've got 4 drawers of equal width on either side of the stove. 30-inch uppers here. Cabinet prepared for glass over here. And my mouse is hesitating a little bit, so hopefully that stops. This is the double trash pull-out. Working drawer on top. Double trash on the bottom. 36 wide sink base. Dishwasher. And then another base cabinet with a drawer and a door. The island has decorative wainscoting on the ends, as you can see. This is an attached filler right here, and then another panel right here, a flat panel. This is a flat panel behind where the seating would go. Then on the other side, how I have the island situated is this is your drawer base, 3 drawers. Got a bank of 4 drawers here, but again we can put the trash here instead. Then I've got a cabinet with a drawer, 2 doors, and 2 roll-out trays. Over on this wall, this cabinet here is 90 inches tall, and these uppers are 36 inches tall, because I guess you have higher ceiling height over here. Got some crown molding. And in theory, I would imagine that would touch the ceiling. I made this bigger. This is 27 inches wide, because that's kind of a nicer sized pantry with roll-out shelves behind these 2 tall doors. Then I've got a refrigerator wall cabinet, 18 inches tall, with a panel on the right side. Then this is a 24 inch, a 27 inch, and a 24 inch. The 27 inch here would have a drawer on the bottom, and this is where we'd put a microwave. This cabinet prepared for glass. And I believe behind these doors, let's see, maybe I don't have them as rollouts. Yeah, I do. I have them as rollouts. So this cabinet here has rollouts, and this cabinet here has rollouts. So that is what I have designed. I hope you don't mind me suggesting a few changes. Again, we can go back to your original plan. Looking at the floor plan real quick. From trim to trim, you're going to end up maybe with a 54-inch wide window from outside trim to outside trim. So looking at these measurements, you can kind of figure out what the center of this window would be. Half of 54 is 27 plus 75, which is 103. I'm bad at math, but you can figure that out from this corner here. Now, as far as pricing goes, just want to get some clarification on what door style you would like and finish. If you're going with a painted finish, then they're going to paint on maple, so that would make selecting the wood species easy. If you're going with a stain finish, then there's all kinds of options as far as wood species goes. I will send you a link to the cabinet website, and it will give you all the door options, which there are quite a few. And let me know if you'd like me to make some changes with this cabinet floor plan.